An abundance of palaces in Spain are places to visit, time capsules of history to experience and explore. But in the Basque town of Getxo, in Greater Bilbao, there's currently one being sold as several separate residences. The Palace of Eguzki Alde, which translates from Basque to Sunnyside, is a prime example of the regional architectural style called neo-montanesque. With its columns, decorative cornices, ball-topped pinnacles, and tower. Designed by noted architect Leonardo Lucobado in 1918, the six-story edifice is set in the seafront Neguri district, which at the time was a popular holiday spot where wealthy families built mansions. Today, the established residential community retains the reputation of being a prestigious place to live, known for its tranquil lifestyle and safety. The solid stone palace stands out for its height and elegant vertical shape. A tower stretches above the hipped roof. Balconies and terraces create outdoor living spaces. The building has been completely refurbished with contemporary luxury interiors and minimal energy consumption in mind. Extensive windows fill the interiors with light. Views take in the sea, beach, marina, and bay. Among the 5 flats within are 2 on the upper floors, which along with the tower can be combined into a single dwelling. A large living room with a fireplace, kitchen, and dining room are on the lower of the 2 levels. Seamless cabinetry with an integrated wine fridge are among features in the chef's kitchen. There's another living room with a kitchenette on the top floor. More than 5,700 square feet of living space contains 6 bedrooms, 6 full bathrooms, 2 laundry rooms, and a powder room. The tower adds about another 160 square feet that can be used as a study, gym, or art studio. The half-acre of grounds contains several gardens, a swimming pool, underground garages, and storage rooms. The asking price for the 2 combined units is €4.75 million, or more than $5 million US.